In today's video, I'm going to teach you about navigating Google Drive efficiently. We'll go over some straightforward steps to make sure you are comfortable managing your files and using the features Google Drive offers. So let's dive right in. First things first, open up your preferred web browser and head over to Google Drive. You can do this by typing drive.google.com into the address bar and hitting enter. If you're not already logged into your Google account, you'll need to do so. This will take you to your Google Drive homepage where you can see all your files and folders neatly arranged. Once you're on the homepage, the next step is to locate the folder you wish to work with. Browse through the list in front of you, scrolling until you find what you're looking for. Google Drive's interface is designed to be pretty user-friendly, but if you're having trouble, remember that you can use the search bar at the top to find your folder quickly. Once you have your folder, go ahead and click on it to open it up. Now that you've opened your folder, you'll notice a toolbar at the top of the page. Here, you'll find various options to manage your folder contents. What we'll do next is locate the View Details icon. Typically, this appears as an eye with a circle around it and is found in the upper right corner of your screen. Go ahead and click this icon. What this does is show you additional information about the selected folder or file, like its size, who has access, and more handy details. The next step requires a bit of multitasking. I want you to click on any file within the folder to select it. Then hold down the Control key on your keyboard and press the letter A. This shortcut selects all files within the folder, a real time saver when you want to do something like rename, move, or delete multiple files at once. As you do this, you'll notice on the right hand side of the screen a little counter that tells you how many files are currently selected. This is super helpful to ensure you have everything you need selected before proceeding with any bulk actions. With that, we've walked through some essential steps for managing files in Google Drive. Remember, the more you familiarize yourself with Google Drive's features, the more efficiently you can work. I hope you find these tips useful and that they make your experience with Google Drive smoother and more productive. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next video where we'll dive even deeper into getting the most out of your Google tools.